is delete every single bit of footage now. You know the guy from Power, like this?
My mum told me to make a wish. I made a wish to get money. Now I'm in a club drinking like a fish, definitely eating like a piranha. Forget beef, I leave that to the farmer. I put money on your head like a barber. You see, I get money cause I go hard, but I want more money so I go harder. I work in the night time, trying to get daytime, playtime, airtime in my spare time. Book a flight with British Airways airline. I'm here to stay like Frisco's hairline.
Out in the Airbnb right now, just touched down in Snowdon.
We got on display, mate.
Mozart, Sinatra, more Mozart, more Mozart.
Why'd you say it like that, Mozart?
Improvement only secret right here.
Exactly. Two abnormally large food.
That's the juice behind the community.
I like my mum on Christmas Day. I'm gonna get a bin bag and start standing at the end of it. Everyone says I'm really unprepared for Snowdon. I've got flying knit trainers on, not a waterproof jacket, but all you need is nicotine, hope, and a dream. Let's do it, fellas.
Listen, baby, ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby.
If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far.
Don't worry, baby,
Just call my name, I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, 'cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough
to keep me from getting to you, baby. Remember,
How you feeling? Mate, knee is finished.
What we doing?
I'm getting old now, I'm 23 years old, so the body starts deteriorating, so it's not good.
Pain is an illusion.
It's just Disney here. Yeah, like
way somehow. Oh, baby, there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby. Oh, no, darling.
Yeah, yeah,
That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control.
yeah, it's still recording.
It's honestly, he's actually a fed. He's actually become a fed. He went to Parliament last week. He's gonna get reported from here starting everyone. He's done.
I did actually go to Parliament this week.
yeah. Ever since Diesel put us on 2 till 4, Yardie kick shit coming off the hinges. You can see the prints from the boots on the door. Jump on the stage like who won the war, not a you anymore. But don't get it twisted, I'm still a big kid. Might pull up in the whip with the windows tinted. Bags full of cash like Ricky and Ingrid. Got bad beats that'll make it clap for me. Got G's.
We're gonna try raw steak for the first time. Go on, dig in, son. 3, 2, 1.
They're nice.
I think my brain can't detect from it being raw.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's actually alright, but it's hard to like.
It's because you know it's raw, it's in your own mind.
It's all a mind game for this.
I like that bad though. I probably will cook it to be fair, but
What would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll probably say it tastes a little bit worse, but it's also like I just want to enjoy my steak rather than like the feeling of it is not cooked. So think I'm gonna stick to cooking my steak from now on.
Oh geez, we're giving that Chelsea smile. Can't control me cause I'm way too wild. Big boy machine that's way too loud.
It's fucking cold.
But then after 10 minutes, it looks like you've got black hair, black man hair. So I'm actually 25% Gambian. I don't know if you knew that, but we'll only do facts about each other, Scott. About each other, guys. Alright, sorted. I brought a Just Eat bag today.
Ready for the day.
Just in case. So we've got the van, like, so if anyone in North Wales, if we just went a little bit like the meal, we tip £35. We tip £35. So like, yeah, you know, if we want to tip, we have to earn this money back. So I thought just in case we weren't broke in Wales, with a Just Eat bag as a as a backup.
Don't look down, just keep your head or you'll be finished. Open up the limit. Past the point of no return. Reach the top, but still you gotta learn how to keep it.
My name's Aaron, and I think I'm going to bench 140 kilograms for 1 rep. Sure. Watch how quick this one flies up. Don't even need to squat up. I might just put it up to 200 now, to be honest. 140 kg. This is when the PR song will come up.
What was that?
Right, delete all the footage, delete every single bit of footage now.
Alright, my name's Ben. I reckon I get 120 for 1 rep.
I didn't have steak.
So as soon as it hits the chest, you just know,
Ben Hemingway, probably 70, 75.
Stan Stapleton, 80 kg. Thousands each time.
60 kg.
Yeah, let me get some walk. I don't know if I can do this.
My name's Jacob. Probably only 75 kilograms because got a dodgy shoulder, so as long as I get that, I'll be happy.
Sorry, as soon as it hit the down. All my balding hairs are being exposed right now. When I go to Thailand, actually not going to Thailand for content, I'm going there to get a fucking hair from.
Split the G, number 1 and 10.
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself. Will I see again? We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All along, we are calling out now again. Never looking down, I'm just in awe of what's in front of me.
What did you just tell me then, Mr. Bendix?
Yeah, I just landed a new offer. Sick offer. Come on.
Ticket price?
5k. Let's run it up. 4x, mate. Let's fucking go.
OTE?
3k. 4k. Come on.
But I'll never see the love you found in me.
Hey, film me, I'm in the car.
Get your cocks out.
Film me, I'm in the car.
The HD quality for the news.
Film me not washing my hands.
Yeah, film me sipping my fingers.
Personal brand.